On the mini mill, we are doing milling and threading into plastic housing cases that hold electronic item that will go into a 50,000 gallon pool. We are doing 2 parts, but it's doing 4 different operations with having the rotary in there. So it cut down cycle time a lot to where it's only 3 minutes and 33 seconds for 2 parts. I'm Lorena Brady. I'm from Sarasota, Florida. I am the owner of Suncoast Tooling. I named my company after the trade school I went to. It was an alternative to college. College was not for me. I'm not a book person. So when it comes to hands-on experience and like a method, it works for me. My instructor at Rotary was my favorite instructor and a big inspiration to me and my business, and he's the one who also helped me to open this up or encourage me to not only just be in a shop, but do your own thing. We had the mini mill for 9 months, and then that's when we're getting too much work and there's not enough time. So we bought this TM-1P with the rotary. When we decided to buy the TM-1P, it led us into getting a 4th axis. With the improvements that we saw with the TM-1P, it also led us to purchase another rotary and put it on the mini mill. So one of the coolest parts we did was a trophy for Tesla, and it was a prototype, but we did it on a 4th axis. When you get that end result and the shininess on there and all that hard work, sweat and tears, we cried over this. Went into that job and you get it in your hands, it's like, we did it. What's wonderful about Haas is that you can go into your garage, it's a single phase and does not run up your electricity bill. This is in our home, and we were able to pay off the machines within a year. My family history has a long line of machinists. Dating back my great-great-great-grandfather. My dad is a machinist, and he is the one who got me into it, especially when I was a little girl, and I was able also to be an apprentice at the company he works for. My aunt is also an aerospace machinist as well. She is also a big inspiration to me too, and she's retired, and when I need the extra help, she'll come in and fill a spot or help me out. Having the machine in my garage and having my son peek his head out the door, he loves watching his mom use her hands and work. It makes him happy. He tells me good job, and that makes my heart melt. Being a female in the manufacturing industry, it's been a blessing, honestly. I got all of this from working hard. You know, it's not just a man's job. You know, a woman can do it too. It's fun. It's personal, you know, I love this. I love this job.